Alright guys, there's the Game Shack again coming back to you. We got the Xbox 360. We got a nice 32-inch on the Xbox 360 and of course all the controllers for the Xbox 360. The next one up is the PlayStation 3. PlayStation 3, we have multiple controllers for that one also. We move away from the PlayStation 3 and we have a second Xbox 360. Right? This is the white Xbox 360, the old school one, but still works just as well. Got tons of games for this thing, and then after that we move on to the PlayStation 3. So once again, that's two PlayStation 3s and two Xbox 360s. You move away from that, you have the new console here. The new console is a PlayStation 4. Everybody's familiar with that one. That's what we have. It's nice, neat. People are ready to play it. And next to the PlayStation 4 is the Xbox One. Again, that's another new console. Got the controllers for it. We have games for it, set and ready to go. This, of course, is an Ultimate Championship Battleground Podium. Has the different arcade games that you want to play. You know, we have games on here like Metal Slug, Marvel vs. Capcom, Final Fight, different type of games. This one that you're looking at next is the Xbox. That's the original Xbox. With the original Xbox, you can always just bring it to this section here, and with the original Xbox, you'll play with the Xbox controllers. So on this original Xbox, you have Marvel vs. Capcom and some of the other games. This can also be converted over to regular arcade games. Regular arcade games, something like Ninja Turtles, you know, the old school regular arcade games, Metal Slug again. Next to that one, you have something that has the PlayStation 2. It's an old school PlayStation 2 with the wireless controllers. And also along with the PlayStation 2, you can convert that over to regular arcade games too. You have an option there. Okay, you can see some of the games on that one. There's another one here. This one is all old school arcade games. Miss Pac-Man, Galaga, Centipede, Millipede. It's all here for you. We move away from that, we go over to the Super Nintendo. We have two Super Nintendos for the little kids because that's a regular hot item for them. Got Super Nintendo here with the wireless controllers, and the second Super Nintendo with the other wireless controllers. Plenty of games for you to choose from there.